thing that I typically say is that SmartScout is a little bit different software than what else is out there. And the reason for that is that the tools that we have, the core tools that we have, if you have SmartScout and if you've seen our dashboard when you first log in, our core tools would be categories, brands, sellers, products, and keywords. Those are not like tools where it's like, hey, this tool is exactly for this and that tool is exactly for that. Really, what they are is, and to allude to what SmartScout itself is, it's a really, really powerful database on the Amazon marketplaces. And it's organized very clearly. And those tools that I mentioned are like injection points into this database where you can do, level analysis, cross-dimensional analysis. Really, in today's competitive landscape, you can investigate every facet of the ecosystem to gain an edge against your competition, to understand the market, and to improve your product sales or mine out products, tons of different purposes.